In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Job Search 2026 Full Guide. Landing your next role can feel like a demanding side job, endless listings, rigid filters, and scattered interview advice. The market has shifted, and employers now use AI screening to spot generic, robotic text. The solution isn't to avoid AI, but to use it strategically. Today, I'll show you how to build a hyper-personalized application roadmap, optimize resume logistics for modern parsers, spot hidden listing red flags, and create a complete interview evaluation guide in minutes. Let's start by designing your dynamic itinerary. The biggest mistake is asking for a vague schedule. Instead, feed ChatGPT your exact background, target role, and constraints. Use a prompt like act as an elite executive career coach and technical talent acquisition planner. Create a highly detailed structural roadmap for a comprehensive job search execution strategy. I want to focus on targeting specific technical skill sets, identifying high growth companies, and optimizing my positioning without dense padding or mass applying to dead ends. Schedule weekly phases by market fit proximity, include profile metric recommendations for my target domain, and format it into a clean markdown table. Add your years of experience, core tools, target industries, and time availability so the roadmap fits your reality. Next, optimize complex logistics and route planning. ATS alignment and keyword routing can be confusing, but you can clarify the rules before you submit anything. Try, I am planning my application data alignment for a new target job description. I need strict structural alignment covering primary skill entities, metric-backed achievements, and natural phrase placement. Explain the most efficient keyword routing using standard ATS parser guidelines, include achievement syntax structures, contextual linkage examples, estimated keyword weight distribution rules, and tips on managing a clean static to dynamic profile reference sheet. This helps you mirror target language naturally, quantify results, and keep a single source of truth for quick tailoring, without AI stuffing. Then uncover hidden local gems and avoid tourist traps. Use act as an insider corporate recruiter and advanced workplace critic. Give me 5 hidden red flags, non-obvious culture indicators, or structural contradictions in standard corporate listings that insiders scrutinize but most job seekers miss. For each, explain what makes it unique and the best clarifying question to ask during an interview loop. Use these insights to probe for clarity and steer clear of shallow or toxic environments. After that, generate an all-inclusive packing checklist and pre-trip guide. Say, generate a comprehensive categorized quality control checklist for a major interview preparation drill during the current application block. Sections, resume to JD, keyword match, quantified star method impact, technical core competencies, and human voice auditing. Include a short pre-submission alert list with AI pattern red flags, proper portfolio boundary links, and phrasing pitfalls. Run it before submitting to catch issues early. Finally, architect a complete interview performance evaluator. Prompt, act as a structural hiring loop evaluator and corporate interview center tutor. Build a realistic performance assessment for my behavioral story draft. Allocate a quality check for logical flow, response pacing, and professional vocabulary variation. Break down typical weaknesses in data-driven behavioral answers, suggest 3 smart phrasing upgrades without losing my voice, and organize it into a clean performance review dashboard. Practice with a timer, refine, and repeat. Handing off keyword mapping, timeline tracking, and structural diagnostics to ChatGPT frees you to show up as your best self. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.